Hello. Today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know that JAM is one of the important examination for those who want to join IITs for M.Sc. So this is the question number 5 from section A. So let's see what is in this question. Which one of the following figure represents the correct sequence of phases in adult eukaryotic cell cycle? As this is an MCQ type question, so among these 4 given option, only one is correct. A eukaryotic cell cycle is illustrated by human cells in culture. A typical eukaryotic cell cycle is illustrated by human cells in culture, and this cell division takes approximately 24 hours. Okay. However, this duration of cell cycle can vary from organism to organism and cell to cell. It varies from organism to organism and cell to cell. For example, we can take the example of yeast. Okay. Yeast can progress through the cell cycle in only about 90 minutes. The cell cycle is divided into two portions, that is interphase and the M phase, that is the mitosis one. The M phase represents the phase when the actual cell division or mitosis occur. The M phase represents the phase when actual mitosis occurs, and the interphase is between two successive M phases. Interphase is the between phase of two successive M phases. It is significant to note that in the 24-hour average duration of cell cycle of a human cell, cell division properly lasts for only about an hour. Suppose this is a 24-hour cell cycle. Here, the mitosis phase only takes 1 hour, and the other 23 hours is for interphase. The interphase lasts more than the 95% of the cell cycle, of the duration of the cell cycle, and the M phase starts with the nuclear division, correspond to the separation of daughter chromosomes, and usually ends with the division of cytoplasm. That means interphase there are two process occurs. In interphase there are two process occurs, that is karyokinosis, which is nothing but the separation of daughter chromosome and the other one is cytokinosis. Which is uh, the division of cytoplasm. Okay, and the interphase to call the resting phase, but in this time duration the cell is preparing for division by undergoing both cell growth and DNA replication. Though it is known as resting phase, but actually in this time duration the cell is preparing for division by undergoing both cell growth and DNA replication in orderly manner. Okay, and the interphase is divided into three further phases, that is G1, S and G2. Interphase divided into three further phases: G1 or gap 1, S or synthesis, and G2. Sorry, it is G2. So the right answer is option B. It is G1 is G2 and then M means mitosis. So we have successfully solved this problem, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.